So for a progression of our double leg bridge, we're going to be on the balls of our feet. Now that's not your toes, that's that kind of front part of your foot. So feel that padding, and they're going to rest on the edge of your sofa, your stairs, wherever it is that your feet are at. Again, hands are just going to rest by your side. And this time you're going to press into the ball of your feet, and you'll start to feel that your heels naturally lift. So keep that going. As you press into the ball of your feet, your calves will work, your heels will start to lift, and can you let that roll your tail back so that we start to come up. Now we're looking for the same things as we did on your heels, but now you're going to get a little bit more calf work. So ideally you're not right up at the top and hanging out in the front of your ankle joint. You're simply pressing into the balls of your feet and still pulling towards you in order to get that activation through your calves. This is much more like running. So again, stand into the ball of your foot, pull your heels towards you, and let that trigger the movement through your spine. Your body is just hanging off your legs. Your head, neck, and shoulders are relaxed, and they're just sinking into the mat like you're sunbathing on a beach. Can you wiggle your toes here so we're not gripping with your feet? Lay your spine back down again. Again, we're looking for that distribution of movement. So can you spread your sit bones and start to open as you come back down towards the floor? So if you look down at your knees, your legs should be shooting kind of quite close together, so your inner thighs are also working. If you notice that your legs are touching, you can pop a band between your legs or around your thighs, and you can gently pull into that band. However, if you notice your legs are coming really wide apart, pop a cushion or a ball or rolled up jumper or towel or something between your legs. So we've got activation rather than just kind of it's telling you what to do, okay? So go with the opposite to what you think. Really keep those toes from wiggling, keep them wiggling, and then lay yourself back down again, delaying those heels a little bit as you come back to the floor.